In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror a shape in PowerPoint. Mirroring is a quick way to create clean symmetry, reflective effects, or balanced layouts that make your slides look more professional with very little effort. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. Navigate to the slide where you want the mirrored shape to appear. If you already have a shape ready, simply click it to select it. If not, go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and draw the shape you want directly on your slide. Any standard shape works, from rectangles and arrows to custom shapes you've drawn. With the shape selected, look to the top of the screen for the Shape Format tab. Depending on your version, it may just say Format, and it only appears when a shape is selected, so if you don't see it, click the shape again to bring it up. This tab gives you the tools you need to transform and align your object. In the Shape Format tab, find the Arrange group and click Rotate. A small drop-down menu will appear with several rotation and flip options. This is where the mirroring happens. To mirror the shape from left to right, choose Flip Horizontal. This creates a side-to-side reflection, which is perfect when you want a symmetrical pair, like two arrows pointing inward. To mirror the shape from top to bottom, choose Flip Vertical. This flips the object upside down and is ideal for creating reflections beneath a header or flipping icons to match your layout. Once you've flipped the shape, adjust its position as needed. Click and drag to place it precisely, or use the arrow keys for fine movements. If you're building a symmetrical design, duplicate the original shape first, then flip the copy so you have both versions. Copy and paste works, or you can use a quick duplicate command. For crisp alignment, look for smart guides as you move objects, or use the align tools on the same tab to center or distribute shapes evenly. Holding shift while dragging keeps movement perfectly horizontal or vertical, which helps maintain a clean layout. Here's a quick recap before we wrap up. Select your shape, go to the Shape Format tab, click Rotate, and choose either Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Then adjust and align the mirrored result to fit your design. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.